Good morning, my students. How are you? I hope all of you are very well. Today we will start a new lesson, which is syllables. Syllables is a basic unit of written and spoken language. Syllables in Arabic means al-maqati', and it is a basic unit of written and spoken language. It consists of uninterrupted sound that can be used to make up the words. So the things that make up the words is the syllables. Now, for example, look at hotel words. How many syllables that hotel words consist? Now, read hotel. So it has 2 syllables. Now, how can I know the number of the syllables in the word? We use the following steps. What are the steps? Let's go. There are a number of ways to split. Sorry. The first way to count the number of the syllable, the first way is count the vowels in the word. Look here, hotel. Look at hotel words. It consists from 2 vowels, O and E. So it consists of 2 syllables. Let's go here. Subtract any silent vowels like E at the end of the word, or the second vowel when 2 vowels are together in a syllable. Look here. Come. As I said, we subtract any silent vowel. So we subtract E vowel. So come, it consists of 1 vowel. O, so it consists of 1 syllable. There, as we said, we subtract E vowel, which E at the end of the word, so it consists of 1 syllable. Look at this note. The number of the syllables that you hear is the same number of the vowels that you hear. Sure, because I said we will count the number of the word. Look here. Out, as I said, when 2 vowels are together in the syllable, we subtract 1 of them. So out, we consider it 1 vowel, so it is the first syllable. Side, we subtract E, so it is also consists of 1 vowel, so outside has 2 syllables. Now, in this slide, in the next slide, we will talk about there are a number of ways to split up a word into syllables. How can I split up the word into syllables? Let's start. Number 1. How can I split the word into syllables? Let's start with number 1. Number 1. Split the word into syllable where consonants meet. For example, that means if 2 consonants meet each other, we split between them. Split up, it means نفصل. So look at happen. It consists from 2 syllables. How I know? Happen, because I will split between 2 consonants that meet each other. It will become happen. Basket. Look here. S and K. We split between 2 consonants meet each other. So it will become basket. Basket. Supper. We split between 2 consonants meet each other. P and P, we split between them, so it will become supper. Dinner. We split between 2 consonants meet each other, so we split between N and N, it will become dinner. Dentist. We split between N and N because they are meet each other, so we split up between them, it will become dentist. Number 2. So, number 1, split the word into syllable where the consonant meets. Number 2, the break will normally be before single middle consonant when there is only one syllable. The break will be usually in front of it, as in all of these sentences means if I have one consonant and if I have consonant and between this consonant two vowel sound, look at open P, it's between two vowels, we split between them, and we will start by the consonant sound B. So it will become open. Item T between two vowels, so we will start the second syllable by T, and I we will be the first syllable. Item. Evil. Look at evil. V it is between two vowels, so we will split between E and vil. Report. Now we P between two vowels, so we will split between re and port. Report. Now let's go to the third way that tell us how can I split the word into syllable. Number three of the way that tell us how can I split between how can I split up the word into syllable. The break will occur at a compound words like basketball. Basketball. It's compound word. Tell us how can I split up between the syllable. Prefixes. Prefixes, it's considered one syllable. Suffixes, it's considered also one syllable. The root of the words. Tell us how can I split the words into syllable. Now, syllables, sorry. Postcard, as you know, postcard is a compound noun. It consists of postcard. So, first syllable, second syllable. Motor boat. It consists of three syllable. Motor boat. How can I split these? Do you remember when I said T, it's between two vowels O and O, so I split between O and T. It will become motor boat. Unhappy. Its prefixes, one syllable. P, look at P and P. Do you remember when I said if I have two consonants, I will split up between them. It will become unhappy. Rewrite. Look here. Re is prefixes. It's considered one syllable. Right, and we subtract E, so it will become rewrite. Prepaid. Two syllables. Hopeless. Less, it's considered suffixes. Suffixes consider one syllable, and we subtract E because it comes at the end of the word hope. So hopeless. Careful. Also careful. Full, it is suffixes. And care end with E. So we subtract yani as it isn't here, as it isn't there. Care, it will become careful. Now please, my student, I need from you to open your student's book, page 98. Open your student book, page 98, quickly. And you have just 5 minutes to do it. Do it.